The Caribbean island of Jamaica was hit by a 4.5 magnitude earthquake early this morning. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV. Let's talk breaking news report, and we'll be right back with the details of this to come on the program. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. This is Links 007 TV breaking news report. Well, we have received reports that a massive earthquake struck Jamaica early this morning, and this happened around 7:30 a.m. on Wednesday, and that would have been just a few hours ago. So we have not received any report of any major damage. However, a number of individuals are left shaken based on the magnitude and the strength that they felt this morning. So social media was flooded with a barrage of comments based on the magnitude and strength of this tremor that was felt early this morning. Our checks with the earthquake unit at the University of the West Indies confirmed that there was in fact actually an earthquake, and they are currently working in order to measure the actual strength of the earthquake. According to the United States Geographical Survey Unit, they reported that a 4.5 magnitude earthquake struck 5 kilometers southeast of Alexandria, Jamaica. The tremor has so far been reported to have been felt in Kingston and St. Andrews, St. Anne's, St. Mary, Portland, Clarendon, St. Catherine, and also St. Elizabeth. This is the third aftershock to rock parts of the Caribbean island following the huge magnitude 7.7 quake which struck Jamaica back in January. But we're just happy to report that no lives were lost in this one and that there were not any significant damage that was reported so far. However, we'll try our very best to keep you up to date with this story once more information becomes available to us. This has been Links 007 TV. Let's start breaking news report, and we'll have more details to come on the program.